Hello everybody, it's Diana again, and I'm going to do the update on my is another end of the year project pan, my second end of the year project pan, or do you get it? Anyways, this I had a huge list of things that were on there. One of the things I did finish and threw away because I am brilliant. But anyways, I wanted to do this today and just get it over with. It's almost the end of the month. I would probably finish like one more of these things by the end of the month. So, and I did just like pop in an empty of something else I finished just because I felt so good about it. I'm going to include it. So screw me. All right, how many things do we hit? 1, 2, 4, 5. 25 items, which in hindsight, probably not the best idea, especially since, well, it wasn't bad. And some of these, a lot of these are minis, and I think I could have gotten through more had I really buckled down and wore more makeup. But if you watched my other Project Pam finale, you will notice that I have just been not that motivated to wear makeup. I've been sick, I've been tired, I've been cranky, I've been overworked, overstressed, pressed, whatever. So I will take the wins where I can. So I'm going to show you first the stuff that I did finish because it is what I am most proud about. So I did have the Ulta body spray, Ulta Beauty body spray or body mist in sweet grapefruit. I really did like this scent. The Ulta Beauty is totally wore off the side here, and they tend to. I would keep it in my purse and just spray it like all freaking day. I don't know why I bought myself body mists. I will not buy body mist ever again. God help me if I remember that. Try to remember. But I like just like eau de parfum, not eau de parfum. I don't know, whatever. Like I just like perfume, like regular perfume. I don't even wear that every day, or I'll just put it on in the morning, and if it lasts, it lasts. If it doesn't, it doesn't. This lasts like 5 minutes, so you can put it on, and like a few minutes later, it's like you never sprayed it. And I went through it really fast, only because I remembered to like spray it all day. I really did like the scent. I thought it was really pretty. The sweet grapefruit. They're really reasonably priced. They're cruelty free if you care about that. This was not technically on my list, but I did finish this as well. It is another body mist by Ulta Beauty, and it is in Warm Glow. This is a really nice like springy summer scent, and this is a really nice fall winter scent. And I feel like I finished the grapefruit up much faster. But I feel like I liked the Warm Glow much more. It's more musky. So yes, those are done. And then I finished my Essence Lash Princess in False Lash Effect, the little green tube. Oh, it'll come up. I've just had this one for a really long time. It's got a nice bristle brush. I thought it was fine. It wasn't my favorite. It was starting to hurt my eyes, so I called it quits on that. But I used, I think, like majority of that up. I did make it through a little mini, the Bite Beauty lip crayon in glacé or glass or however. Like it is rolled up. I'll roll it down if you can see. It is rolled up in the nub. I wore that baby out. I really liked this. I thought it wore well. I don't think I would buy this brand. Again, I mean, I got this, I think it was a birthday gift from Sephora. And I enjoyed it, but it's not something I would go out of my way to purchase. This I'd had forever, so I was really determined to finish this up. And I've pretty much scraped all that I can, and it started to smell like an old crayon, which I'm pretty sure is not good. And I've had this for more than 7 years. So, and I've had it for more than 7 years because I was kind of into makeup at one point and then wasn't for many years. And now I've gotten really into makeup. So this is the Femme Couture Flawless Touch Eye Primer. You can get these at Sally Beauties. I believe it is their brand. Now it is decent. It is not great. It is not super opaque, if that matters to you. You can kind of see it on my hand. It was fine. It was okay. It wasn't great. I wouldn't purchase that again. And then I got this in like a mascara set, I think from Sephora like a year ago. This is the Lancome Cils Booster XL. It is a mascara primer. It is not something I would normally purchase on my own. But this started hurting my eyes as well, and it looks like I finished like all of it. Maybe there's one more application in there, but I'm not going to put something on my eyes that hurts me. So the Lancome Cils Booster XL. Yeah, whatever. You can't see it. Thank you. So yeah, those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 items that I finished up and I felt pretty proud about. I do have a few items that I feel like are very near the end of their lifespan that I think I will be putting in a new project pan and really putting my foot down for these. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper in medium to dark. All of the wording has faded off except for a little bit of the L'Oreal at the top. This is just a brow gel. I think it does have fibers in it. It smells fine, but it's like you don't need a whole lot and it doesn't quit. Like, I use this every single time I do my brows, whether I only put this in or do other stuff and put this in. I do like it. It lasts forever. It shall be gone out of my thing. I also have this Ulta Beauty mattifying face primer that I got, I think, in one of those like 12 item kits they do. They'll probably do one in January. They usually do. I think they do it like twice, 2 or 3 times a year. Or if you buy like $20 of Ulta Beauty stuff, you get like a bag with a bunch of stuff in it. This came in there. I really love this stuff. This has like not even one use left in it. There is so little product. It's weird because it has like this weird like chapstick end to it, but I bought the full size and the full size doesn't have that. But I do really like this. So I know that'll be gone really soon. I have the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Mad Max Brown. Actually, yeah, this has probably just a couple uses left. It's really drying out. And it's just a little itty bitty mini. I think I got this in one of those 500 point perk Kat Von D sets at Sephora at one point. So yes, I think those will be gone soon. And then I have this e.l.f. brow pencil. So on one side you get a spoolie. And on the other side is the pencil. And I have the tiniest bit left. Again, this thing I feel like has lasted forever. I don't know. Me and brow products, like, they just last. Doesn't matter how often I use it. So I'm definitely going to use this up too. I'm sure I will use this up sooner than later. It is just a nice, like, a dark brown. I'd probably repurchase this. I have repurchased this. I probably wouldn't repurchase either one of these. Not that they're bad. I just have enough stuff I don't need to. Probably for a very long time. The other thing that I'm getting pretty low on, you can see maybe, is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. So I was up here and now I'm all the way down here. So I used up half of what I had left, half of the half. So I've got about a quarter of product left. I do really like this. Again, I just haven't been wearing makeup, or I think I would have gotten through that. Oh, can I even see where I am on this? This is hard. I can only see it in the light of day. I'm going to peek in there. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Okay. So I'm about right here, and that's where I was. That second line. So again, I've done about half. I feel like setting sprays take me forever to get through. Half the time I forget to use them. Or if I do use them, I only just put them on the one time and then I don't do it again. I know a lot of people keep reapplying. A couple of things I will count as goals hit, even though they're not completed, and my goal was to fully complete all of these items, is the Tarte Party Blush, which I had already hit some pan on, and now I've hit more pan, and I don't think this has a terribly ton more uses left. And then the Kat Von D contour shade in Lucid, which I use as a setting powder. You can see how much pan I have on that. This will be gone in no time at all. I'm going to repress it, which is why I wanted to do the video today, so you could see all the beautiful pan. I probably won't repress this yet. And then those are my biggest wins, if you will. And then a bunch of stuff that I either didn't use at all or have been using. So I've been using the Mantra Big Lancome mascara. I don't, who cares? This has a gigantic bristle brush, like it's huge. And I really like this, but again, it's like the gift that keeps on giving, you know, like this teeny tiny little thing that I think I got for free at Ulta one day by, like, you make a purchase, then you get a little freebie. Um, it has not been running out, and I've been really, really enjoying it. So I'm gonna keep on using that until she runs out. The Ulta Beauty Brow Shaping Gel, I didn't use it all because I was focusing on that one, and this is just literally a clear gel with a spoolie. So I didn't touch that at all. My Palladio foundation, I didn't touch maybe once or twice. I don't think there's a ton left in here. It's a pretty small bottle for foundation. Not even a whole ounce. 0.91 ounces. I don't think there's a ton left in here. I can see there's like a lot of separation. It's probably like down to here. Down to here by my name. But yeah, I haven't used it. I didn't really use the other Kat Von D contour shades. I used this one a little bit. This is Lyric and Levitation. I think I have the names right. They're in her big Shading Light contour palette. I just popped them out because I didn't want to get in the browns, and I like to use it again as a setting powder. So I will continue to use those, especially once this is gone. And then I might have used this once, the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And I also got one of these from my sister as well. So I'm going to have some fun trying to get through all of that. Get my stuff back put away. I'm weird. I got to get stuff put away like right away, or I won't put it away. So yes. And then I had the e.l.f. Contour, Cream Contour Color Correcting Palette, which I actually made. Can you see? Can you tell? There, you can kind of see I have a couple good divots, especially mostly in the green and the peachy shade. And I think I would hit pan on these really quick. I just kind of stopped using it for the moment, but I will use that again. And then the Tarteist Lip Paint in Exposed. I did take the stopper out so that I can really use this up quicker, but there's still quite a lot of product in here. But I will be using that up. And then I also took the stopper out of my Ulta Beauty Color Rush Lip Gloss in Olivia, which was a big mistake. I don't know if you could tell. You just get way too much product, but I want to say there's still like half the bottle in here. It was just kind of getting hard to get out. It was a big mistake taking that stopper out, but I do like that one. And then I have two Bite Beauty ones, which I believe I also took the stoppers out. This one is in demi-glace, like a brownie one. Pretty. They're just these little minis, and I'm like, I just want to get through my minis. And then one in whip. It's really hard to kind of tell how much is in there. This one's a little thicker of a formula than the other one. People really like these. I think they're okay. They're not great. They're okay. And I think that's all my products. So let me know how you think I did. If you think I did great. If you don't, I mean, I still truly finished 6 products. Nearly finished at least 2 more. And hit a good dent in this and some pretty good dents in these. So overall, I feel pretty good, especially for how lightly I used makeup over the last 3 months, which is pretty much, what did this start? Right before Halloween? September or October, I started this project. So I think if I had done makeup like every single day, I definitely would have gotten through most, if not all of these items. Maybe not the lipsticks, at least more of the lipsticks. Definitely the foundations, the setting spray, probably both of the primers. 2 of these guys for sure, probably the blush. I'm gonna do better this year, trust me, guys. Follow along with me. I'm gonna probably do the one that Beauty News is doing, Team Project Pan. So join me for that. Watch their thing, whatever. Subscribe, comment, like, whatever you want to do. I hope you join my team and tell me all about yourself. All right, have a good day. Bye.